Good morning. Have a great Monday, everybody. Sure hope you had a great holiday weekend. Now, of course, we're back at it here, back to reality throughout the day today, and Mother Nature is back to reality as well because, well, all the heat and humidity that we experienced through the holiday weekend is building its way back up here over the next 2 to 3 days. We start that process today. It's going to be another smoking hot day, my friends. Yesterday was hot. We made it to 95 degrees officially at McGee-Tyson Airport, 92 degrees in Crossville, 98 in Chattanooga, which was near the record of 101 so back in 1977. We also made it near a record high. The record high in Knoxville is 98, so back in 1993. And Tri-Cities made it to 93 degrees, which was about 5 degrees shy of the record set back in 2012. No rainfall officially at some of the airports, but we did see a few showers and a few thunderstorms yesterday. Had a couple of strong thunderstorms in the Cock and Greene County yesterday, and that's where we saw the majority of the rain. Saw a couple of spotty showers and thunderstorms also across the Cumberland Plateau. So the forecast for the day today, the heat is on with some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Now, not a ton of rain today, but I do anticipate that rain to pick up here over the next couple of days as moisture from Beryl continues to head our way. But we're also talking about a lot of heat, at least through Wednesday. Then maybe a little bit of a break. I'll explain coming up here in just a few minutes. Let's walk you through a future cast. Picking up the timeline at 7 o'clock this morning, running you through noon. Again, we're going to stay rain-free. The clouds will start to build on into the area as we get into the lunch hour. And a few spotty showers and thunderstorms expected throughout the afternoon and evening hours. But again, not a ton of rain expected throughout the day today, but we'll start that process. And that process will gradually increase those rain chances here for the next couple of days. Rainfall totals by the end of the day today, you can see it's just going to be kind of hit and miss. So something to kind of keep in mind, kind of like yesterday, a couple of spotty showers and thunderstorms will be developing with the heat of the day. And it is going to be hot. Temperatures by lunchtime will be pushing the upper 80s. Forecast highs will be back in the mid to possibly upper 90s. Then you factor in the humidity that gradually is increasing as well. And that puts our heat index value at about 105. Now, the National Weather Service says, listen, when our heat index value gets to about 105, they would start issuing heat advisories. In their forecast discussion this morning, they were saying, hey, listen, we're going to hold off on that for now. May have to include the Southern Valley into a heat index value through the day tomorrow due to the fact that we're expecting hotter temperatures across much of the Southern Valley tomorrow. But even as we get into the evening rush hours, 92 with a heat index value of 101, 89 by 8, but it's going to feel like 97 and still feel like 90 degrees even by 10 o'clock here tonight. So that's that extreme humidity that's going to be hanging strong, and that keeps our morning lows tomorrow morning on the mild side. Tomorrow, back in the mid to upper 90s, more moisture in the atmosphere. Now we're talking heat index values pushing over 105 degrees, and that's why the National Weather Service is like, okay, we'll probably issue a heat advisory, at least for the Southern Valley, south of Interstate 40, through the day tomorrow. So I'll keep you posted on that as they play that out. All right, picking up our timeline on our future cast on Tuesday, I do think we'll have a little bit better coverage of rainfall. Lunchtime, likely to be on the dry side, but just after the lunch hour, we'll start to see those showers and thunderstorms building up and developing through the heat of the day. Then the sun goes down and the storms start to wind down as well. So rainfall amounts over the next 2 days. All right, this is some good news. We haven't had a lot of rain, and so we desperately need some moisture around the area. So it does look like we're going to continue to add to that, even as we get into our Wednesday as well. But remember I said the extreme heat's going to be with us through Wednesday. That's because dew points will be in the low to mid 70s. A cold front swings through associated with Beryl. I'll explain. That drops our dew points into the upper 60s to round out the weekend, head into the weekend. The lower those dew points go, we start to lose that excessive heat. So here's the latest information from the National Hurricane Center from earlier this morning. Category 1 hurricane making landfall just down into Texas. It's going to swing its way through Houston and then back up across the northern Mississippi River Valley and the Ohio Valley as well. So watch this. Here we go. There's the storm system. Cold front pushing its way through the Great Plains and the upper Midwest. Beryl's going to be following that, and that's where all the moisture is going to be going. And then it's going to start to lose its intensity, so it becomes a tropical low or an extratropical low anyways as it continues to weaken over land, of course, and moving its way into the upper Midwest. So again, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms, but watch this. As we get into our Wednesday afternoon, the cold front's going to swing its way on into the area, and back behind it, that's why the air will dry out just a bit. That's why by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, our dew points come on down as well. When you're talking rainfall, you really see where the heaviest rain is going to be associated with Beryl as it moves its way into the upper Midwest. But again, that will throw a warm front into our area. That increases our humidity, increases our temperatures through Wednesday, and then that cold front swings through Wednesday into Thursday, and that's going to drop our humidity. So watch this. So heat index values today going to be pushing around 100 degrees or so. Tomorrow, much more of the same, but you can see how the heat index value is going to be shut off back behind that cold front as Beryl moves its way up across the upper Midwest. Cold front comes through during the day on Wednesday, and that's going to take those heat index values down just a bit, a little bit closer to those seasonal averages, sort of. High temperatures will be a little bit cooler. Heat index values not as high as it will be at the beginning of the week. Friday, we'll start to see another return flow, and so I think as we get into the next weekend, here comes the heat and humidity once again. So when you look at your rain chances ramp up all the way through Wednesday and then fade as we get into our Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with just a few spotty afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but we'll see better coverage of rainfall this week. Temperatures will come on down just a little bit, again, associated with that cold front. Extra clouds and a better chance for rain Wednesday, Thursday. Then those temperatures climb back into the low to mid 90s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Low temperatures are going to be on the warmer side as well, elevated at or above average. Low temperatures are anticipated. So as we track the showers and thunderstorms throughout the next couple of days, make sure you track them and stay on top of the latest forecasts around East Tennessee or wherever you may be traveling. You could do so easily by downloading the East Tennessee weather app. It's 100% free. Just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. Look for the orange TN and the white lightning bolt. You can't miss it. So we'll keep you posted on that. Our next weather update here through the app and all East Tennessee weather platforms comes up at noon, then again at 5, and again at 9 o'clock here tonight. So have a great Monday and welcome back to work.